Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm checking out a wireless magnetic 3-in-1 charger, TENPOFORM here. So pretty cool box there, has some nice little instructions here right on the lid. Okay, so we have a little adapter or a little device for the watch for charging. Here is the main platform there. It's got a nice silicone bottom there, so it's not going to fall off your table or anything. A little charging cable, and then our wall to USB charge. So the cable is about 3 feet long there. Let's go ahead and plug this in and see how well it works here. So I've got my extension cord right here. This is for a watch. I can't demonstrate that. I don't have a watch. So, well, not a smart watch. Anyways, here we go. So that one goes in there. Our little plug-in just goes in the back. All right, so it lights up. I believe it has a touch sensor on the side here. Oh yes, so right here on the side, it has a little light indicator there. You can touch it if you want. This is kind of like a little night light too if you want. That's pretty cool. So you can have the white light or the yellow light, or just have it off. Okay, here we go. Let's put our phone on there and see if it's going to charge. I got the MagSAFE thing right there. And there we have it. I believe also when you put your phone on here, if it's charging, it'll like recognize it. So let's take that off. Should fade, and then we are at 94%, definitely charging there. Okay, so I also have my Samsung Galaxy AirBuds or EarPods or whatever they're called. I'll just set it on the little thing right there. Oops, did I have it upside down? There we go. Okay, our little indicator light has come on there showing that it is charging. So that's pretty cool. And then let's see if it's going to do both at the same time. Throw my phone back on there. And indeed, both charging. If I had a watch, I could throw it on there and show you guys. Pretty cool. Doesn't take up a lot of space, as you can see. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's a large phone, but still fits on there nicely. Holds it on there well. Oops. And a pretty cool little piece here. I like that it has a little light there. And you can charge all your devices and just use a very small footprint on your desk or something too. So this wire you could just run down behind and keep it all nice and clean looking and well organized. So I like that. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it is helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I will see you next time.